To grade the PAC portfolios, we will be using a tool in Blackboard called Delegated grading, which allows more than one person to grade each assignment submission. The Blackboard system has randomly assigned you to a certain number of students, which will allow each student to be graded by 2 instructors. Each semester, the number of students you're responsible for grading may be different based on how many students have enrolled and how many graders there are. When you enter the course, click Grade Center and then Full Grade Center. You will see a yellow exclamation point next to the students whom you have been assigned to grade, if they have submitted something to the assignment. By the due date, all students should have submitted, so you should see a certain number of exclamation points here, whatever number you've been assigned. To grade, you simply click the down arrow that appears when you hover your mouse over the cell, then click the item that says Attempt with the date next to it. On the next screen, you will see the link to the student's portfolio on the left and the grading tools on the right. First of all, you want to open up the rubric. Blackboard kind of buries the rubric under several clicks, so I apologize that it's a little complicated to get to. You click this arrow here, then you click this little icon here to expand the rubric into its full table form. It will open in a new window. Go back to Blackboard and copy the student's link. Then you'll need to open another new window by typing Ctrl-N or Command-N and paste the student's portfolio link into the address bar. So you'll end up with 2 windows side by side. You might need to arrange them a bit. You can view the student's portfolio on one side and click on the appropriate score in the grading rubric on the other side. The rubric will automatically tally up the points for you as you grade each criterion. Notice that for a few of these items, they are just yes or no, full credit, or no credit. Please make sure to use either the 5 or the 1 on these, not any intermediate grade. There was no other way to enter yes or no questions into the rubric, unfortunately. When you're done, click Save, and you'll notice that the score automatically populates into the box here. Then you click Submit. There's one more step before you move on to grade your next student. Go back to the Full Grade Center. You'll notice that the yellow exclamation point has changed to a blue circle icon. This helps you keep track of what you've already done, but it's only visible to you. Other graders will see icons specific to which students they've been assigned. Because of the varying displays, please also put your initials in the box next to the student you have graded. You will end up being either grader 1 or grader 2, depending on who gets there first. This will help everyone keep track of what has been done, and it will let Dr. Androff know when it's okay to go in and finalize the students' grades. There may be a few students who were assigned more than 2 graders based on how the math worked out with the number of graders versus the number of students. So if you happen to already see 2 sets of initials next to a student that you're assigned to grade, just don't worry about grading that one, you can skip it. To move on to the next student, you just look for the next yellow exclamation point. And that's it. Happy grading!